All right, so welcome back. So we are going to talk about WhatsApp desktop. Okay, we've been using our phone to view WhatsApp, and I found out that if you are actually going to respond to a lot of people on WhatsApp, it's easier to use your laptop as in chatting with people, especially if you can type well with keyboard, computer keyboard. It's easier, okay, when you are using your laptop. So you can do that with a WhatsApp desktop. You just have to install a WhatsApp desktop app. Okay, I have it already. I use it every day to chat. You see, all these are my prospects. Those are I'm chatting with. You understand? Okay. Now, how can you install it? Very simple. You can download the app and install the app, just like the way you install app on your computer. If you don't know how to install app, maybe you go to your engineer, as in your computer engineer, to do it for you. Okay, good. So he will install the app for you, but you can easily do it by searching on Google to download the app, download the icon. Okay, you can also use the web. This one is desktop app. Then you can also visit web.whatsapp or WhatsApp. I think whatsapp.com. I think. Okay, our app is not let me connect the so very good. So you can visit web.whatsapp.com. So if you want to view your WhatsApp or using your browser instead of opening it with the app, instead of downloading the app, but you see that in this to ask you to get the app. You understand? Get the app because the app is better. I've noticed that using the app is better than just using it on the browser. Okay, but if you want to use it on browser, just all you need to just when you come here now, the way it's showing this QR code is showing. Just go to your WhatsApp. Let's see if I want to connect this WhatsApp now, just go to my WhatsApp. Once this is showing, I will come here, click on linked devices. Okay, let me go to chat. Okay, yeah, I click on linked devices. Okay, linked devices. Once I click on linked devices, then I will now click. You see that I've linked all this. Okay, so I will click on link a device. When I click on link a device, then click use mobile. Then it will make me to connect to this. So if I bring this my phone up, I'm trying to position it. You see, to scan it. It's now scanning. So I'm using my phone camera. I mean my phone camera to position it to scan the to scan that QR code. So once you position it and it's scanning the QR code, you wait. It will load your chat. Okay. To load your chat. I would have connected the other one instead of this one, but that's fine. So it will load your chat and display, and it will appear like this, somehow like this. You understand me? Very good. So, very good. But okay, here now you are going to enter the device name. I mean the name of maybe I can call it Heroic Academy, whatever I want to call it. So you see that it's showing now. So I've connected this to my but I can still type in the name if I want, but I don't want to type in anything because I will still decide, I will still remove it. But just type in anything that's the topic of your chat. Okay, for example, if all these people are maybe your prospects for your academy, for example, you type in or customers, whatever, or you leave it as it is. Okay, whatever. Okay. So that is it. So if you want to chat with anybody now, you can chat. Just click on that person, you chat. You start chatting with the person. Okay. So it's easier to chat using your your desktop. But I noticed something, that your phone tend to handle traffic more than the desktop version. Okay, when there is traffic, like a lot of chats, the desktop version tend to slow down. Okay, but your phone seem to be more capable. The phone seem to be more capable of handling traffic. Okay, I mean, that is what I noticed while using both of them. Okay, so but this one will make it easy for you to type. You know, typing with keyboard is faster than just typing with your phone, especially if you're responding to a lot of people. Okay, so that is why I had to introduce this WhatsApp desktop for you. Okay, and then but use the desktop app instead of the web version. Use the desktop app instead of the web version. You understand me? Good. So that settles it. Okay, remember here you add title. Maybe for me I will add computer Heroic Academy here, or Heroic Prospects, but just Heroic Academy I think is better. Okay. In your own case, you add whatever title you want to add and save it. Okay. So that's how it is. Thank you so much.